do, just take this over there. Okay.
Leave it down here in the tree.
Watch out, Brett. Hang on.
Then watch the tree.
Yep, I'll walk up to the tree.
There.
All right.
That's that one. Ready?
Yep. Up, up. Right, up. Up, up. Right, up, up, up. Right, up.
People talk about tearing down the walls in your life. We're working really hard to put new ones up. What's up with that? You ready? 1, 2. I'm gonna get up there.
Oh, I'll take it up a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna go up.
Okay. Like a glove. Can I give you the big hammer now?
We do.
How's it look?
Looks good.
Make you hungry? That's what we're gonna eat. The table's gonna be in here. Kitchen nook.
Nice.
Cool, man. Think your measurements were right, man.